Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to delete a playlist on Spotify. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Of course, first thing first, you have to tap on the Spotify icon to run the app. And now click on the Your Library tab in the bottom. In this page, you have to tap on the playlist you wanna delete. After that, tap on the 3 horizontal dots. Now in this pop-up, you have to scroll it down. And when you see Delete Playlist, you have to tap on it. A pop-up box will appear asking if you want to delete the playlist. Tap Delete Confirmation. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.